AWS. I hope you all are doing good. We are continuing with shell scripting tutorial for DevOps, and in this video we are going to see how we can automate server monitoring. Like we are going to monitor CPU of our server, okay, like EC2 instance or any other server it can be. So we want to monitor the CPU utilization using shell script, okay. So in previous video we have seen like how we can monitor the website availability using shell script, okay. So now we are going to see how we can monitor CPU of any server using shell script, okay. So for that we have written this quite simple shell script, okay. And first we are defining one variable, that is CPU uses. Then we are using top as well. So we use top command to get CPU uses information. So if you are familiar with the Linux commands, then you must knowing that why we use top command, okay. So and then after that we are using top -bn1 to run top in the batch mode for a single iteration, okay. So we are using top bn to run the script in single batch mode iteration, okay. And we are also using grep to fetch CPU detail as well, extract the line CPU uses in detail. So we are also using grep command, and then after that we are using awk command, okay. And we are using we are printing the values, whatever values awk command is able to fetch from our server, okay. This is print $2 and $4, calculate the sum of uses and system CPU uses percentage, okay. So this way we can use awk command to print the system uses percentage of CPU, okay. So let's go back to the script here. Suppose if you want to implement this on your EC2 server, then you have to create one file and you have to use this script there in that specific file, and you have to give executable permission, and you have to schedule it using cron job or any other thing, okay. So if you don't know how to automate with cron job, I have already created video, you can go and check out, okay. So this script will be running after 5 minutes or 10 minutes or once in a day according to your requirement. So you can run this script and it will fetch your CPU uses of EC2 instance or any server, and it will like inform you that CPU utilization is more than 70% or how it's going exactly. So this is all about how we can monitor CPU of any server, okay. That's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well, okay. And I have pushed all the script, whatever script I have written for this tutorial, I have pushed already in my GitHub repository, and you can go and you can check out. I will put the link in description. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.